Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm tylauren on my social channels. If you don't follow me, you definitely should. I came home from a trip. I was gone for 6 days and I literally came home to 100 packages. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing here for y'all. I usually do it on Instagram, but I'm like, because there's so much, I should do it on YouTube. And plus, I'm trying to be more consistent on here. So I do appreciate you guys for subscribing, liking, commenting, and keeping up with the new videos because we are gonna be consistent on YouTube this year. And I know I say this every year, but this year's different. If you like videos like this, let me know. All right, let's get into this unboxing. I can't wait to see the stuffs. I can't wait to see all the goodies in the boxes, like, because this is crazy. First box is from Dieux Skincare. It says, "You're doing great." I love it. Their Instant Angel Lipid Rich Moisturizer. Their Air Angel Hydrating Gel Cream. Very excited. I love their stuff, especially their eye patches. So good. Next box is from Pixi. Such cute stuff. It's a beauty primer, translucent powder, makeup fixing mist, and a stamp and wax. I'm not sure what that is, but very cute. My hair is like extremely curly today. It's a little crazy underneath the hat. That's why I wore it today. The hat is from Tyler Lambert, just in case, and the crew neck is from J. Crew. Smashbox. This is their Be Legendary Line and Prime Pencil. Obviously their photo finish is fire. And some mascara and a waterproof eyeliner. It's kind of crazy to think that I've been getting PR packages for 10 years. And I've been doing this job for 10 years. It's kind of insane. It's also gonna be insane when I have to clean up this mess of all these boxes and all this like package fluff and find a place in home for all these products. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Yeah, maybe I'll do a giveaway. Makeup, hair, and I'm saying this now, and hopefully I don't regret it later. Next is Lancome. I'm actually wearing their concealer today and it's phenomenal. Ooh, a liquid eye blusher. I don't really wear a lot of eye makeup because I have my lashes on, but whoa, this package, fire. Look at all the goodies. We have some Aqua Gel sunscreen. We have a Juicy Tube. Oh, I'm definitely gonna put this on right now. Y'all remember Juicy Tubes? Oh my God, definitely putting this on. It's perfect. It goes right over my, a little bit. Goes a long way. Ooh, it smells so good. Wow, that looks good. Also, this is literally bringing me back. This is bringing me back. I remember a short story. I was kind of poor when I was little. My parents, like, they did everything they could for us, but I didn't get things like Lancome, you know? So the Juicy Tubes was a big deal, and I remember getting one, and I was freaking out. I felt like I was like Hillary Duff. Brightening Pro Solution. This is like niacinamide French Beach Bud Extract. I've never tried this, but it's also new, so that's probably why. Classic Lancome eye makeup remover, and a ton of these liquid eye blushers. Very, very excited. Let's just, that one's red, so I don't wanna do red. But let's, ooh, beautiful, beautiful. I'm a makeup YouTuber or what? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, oh, it is like powdery. Can you see that? I love that. It's really great. I wonder if it's like multi-use. We also got some lash lifting volumizing mascara. One thing I do wish, I wish brands made it a little bit easier to open these packages because your girl's struggling. Also, my press-ons, they're about to pop off. We're eventually gonna get this package open. Here we go. Monde Gourmand, I don't know. Oh, guys, I literally just bought their stuff in Urban. I'm obsessed. Can you see that? I'm so hyped right now. Don't you love when you recently find something? How cute. Can you see that? Oh my God, I love it. And it's vegan and cruelty free. I'm not gonna pronounce that because I can't. Yeah, I'm not gonna even do it. Monde Gourmand, that's the brand though. Next is Eberjey. I think it's a pajama company. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. Oh wow, these feel so good. It's like a little pajama set. So cute, love it. Very cute. Next is introducing Sick Science. It's a V-Line Jaw Defining Serum. Y'all, I'm gonna wear this every day because I just feel like my double chin is a little present and we want her to be absent. I'm definitely using this. Next up is a package from Neutrogena. We have the Hydro Boost, already love. Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen, already love. Stubborn Acne Patches, and we have a Hydro Boost Gel Cleanser, which I've tried already and I love. Thank you, Neutrogena. Also, if I didn't say thank you to the other ones, my apologies. I am eternally grateful. Next up, we have this beautiful bag. How cute. Smells like a perfume. Excited to introduce you to AERIN Beauty. This bag, mad cute. It's definitely a perfume. I'm sad because I'm literally ripping the bag because I can't do anything with these nails. But we're gonna just dig in. Not the bag matching the actual perfume box. How stunning. Honeysuckle Tiare. Guys, I literally cannot read. It smells really good though. And a little mini guy. Oh, smells so good. Thank you. I think this is Estée Lauder. I'm like pretty sure. Ooh, this is a big guy. And it's from Maybelline, and it is so freaking cool. It's like a little, look at this. How freaking sick is this? Can you handle the heat? I don't know, can I? So cute. Oh, it's the Takis Maybelline collab. So cute. Little lip plump. You guys know I definitely don't need a plump, but why not? Oh, there's legit Takis in this, y'all. Like actual Takis, oh no. My stomach will probably like go ham, but I've never seen these blue chips before. What is the actual flavor? Blue Heat, hot chili pepper tortilla chips. They are really creative. This one is Dragon Sweet Chili. Can you all believe I've never actually had a Taki before? But this is a really sick package. Little hat. Don't look at the top of my head, okay? We love a bucket hat here though. I love when brands do collabs with other brands that like are not really the same as them, and it just comes out mad fire. There's also a t-shirt. This is pretty cool. While I'm like eating the Takis, I could wear this with the hat. Very cute. Thank you, Maybelline. I love this. Next is from ThirdLove. Y'all, their bras, incredible. Like, I'm very, very excited. And I love this like grippy type strap. Very excited. I started pre-opening because honestly, it's just too many boxes. There's also a new box over there that I need to open. Next is from ILIA. If you guys haven't tried ILIA Beauty, you're really missing out because their eyebrow pencils are incredible. Also, this like thing moving with my head is, I'm like, how do I stop this? Okay, we like this. But yeah, ILIA Beauty, insanely good. Their eyebrow pencils, so good. Their serum, so good. Try it if you haven't. Next is this very large package from Physicians Formula. Guys, do you see all the goodies in here? Like what? This bronzing serum, taking it to Bermuda because I'm going to Bermuda and I'm so freaking excited. But there's so many good things in here. Lip colors, a butter glow corrector, so many different types of foundation, diamond perfector mineral wear. I love their stuff because it's like really good for your skin. My mom also loves it, so I know I'm gonna give her a few of these and she's gonna freak. But how cute is this bottle? Butter lip conditioning. Skincare powder. I love this packaging. It's really, really cute. I don't even know where to put stuff because my whole entire living room is just gonna be taken over by packages. Next is a package from Rizos Curls. I feel like I tried them a really long time ago and I don't remember, but I'm very excited to try them. They have a light hold gel. This is a curl defining mousse. Also volumizing hairspray. So I'm very excited, very excited to try them out. Also, there's like a package in a package. Ooh, very cute. A repair mask and an apple cider vinegar scalp and hair rinse. Cute. I like this little box. If this is not the truth, I don't know what is. You deserve the best. Next is a Radiant Skin green tea from Pique. I think that's how you say it. And Beauty Electrolyte Youthful Skin Deep Hydration, Hyaluronic Acid, and Ceramides. Excited to try that. Next is Nudestix. I love their packaging. It's always so sleek. Oh, these are the Nude Screen blush tints. I love these. I just love the packaging. Next is a package from Darling. Ooh, a really cute brown blazer. I'll do a little try on haul soon because this is really cute. Ooh, a little slouchy sweater. I love. Really cute little, it really feels really good too. These curls are giving me like little kid. I'm trying to like brush them out. Ooh, these trousers feel nice. Can't wait to try these on. Stay tuned for a try on haul on my TikTok. Okay, let me go get that H&M box over there. If you guys know, or if you don't know, H&M is literally my faves. And I love this box too. The Studio collection just dropped, so very excited for that. This box is fire. I just don't know how to open it. Oh, love. I already love it. I'm obsessed. I actually saw these pieces when I was in California, and I was like, I need. I'm gonna show them to you once I get a handle of my life. Stop. This shirt, fire. And the suit of my dreams. Like, bruh, obsessed. Definitely doing a try on haul. Absolutely doing a try on haul. Stop it right now. How friggin' cute is this? I love you, H&M. Forever. Okay, I had to get organized because everything was just all over the place. So I made a new pile over there for all the garbage. I was just frustrated, you know? I was just like overwhelmed. I was overwhelmed because there was just too much going on. And I'm also so friggin' hot. It's actually like 65 degrees out today and I'm in a sweater and this hat, so we're back to it. Next is from Intersection. It's a nail company and it's plant-based. And this is like a soak off. I wear press-ons, but when I do get my nails done, this would be ideal. Got a big box from Slip and Ulta. I literally sleep with Slip every single day. I love their pillowcases. They're so good. Really cute. I love a little flyer. I love this packaging. There's an eye mask, Lovely Lashes Contour Sleep Mask. I love this. Some scrunchies, a pure silk pillowcase, a silk turban, some more scrunchies, which I love. These are so great. Thank you, Silk and Ulta. Next is from Taraji P. Henson, her hair brand. Y'all, their conditioner and shampoo is so good. So I'm very excited for these. Oh, this is a fragrance mist, skin blurring body lotion. Oh wow, this is like just skincare too now. A conditioning mask and the shampoo Cleanse, Detox, Hydrate. I use the yellow bottles. I've never tried these, so I'm very excited. But her line is actually really good. And you know they come out with a celebrity line every day, y'all. Next is from Borghese. I told you I can't read, so. This is an overnight resurfacing mask. Next is from Covergirl. Oh, how cute. How stinking cute is this? Stop. I love a multi-use PR package. And these are the foundations. Very cute, very excited. And has a little mirror inside. So cute. That's my little setup. Next is a package from 818. So cute. Thank you, 818. We love to host over here, so this is cute. And I know all my friends are gonna be excited to try it. Next is a package that I'm really excited for because it's from Cantu. And if you know me, then you know Cantu has been like my ride or die for my wash and go forever. So they put a bunch of goodies in here. Conditioner, shampoo, curl activator cream, coconut curling cream, cute little head wrap. I've been seeing these brushes like everywhere. I'm sure y'all seen it on TikTok, but I can't wait to detangle with it. Of course, my favorite, the leave-in conditioner, and a cute little natural wood pick. Very, very excited. Next is a package from Marc Anthony hair. Strictly Curls, refresher, conditioner, and a flex gel. I love the yellow packaging. Next is a package from Babor. Ton of skincare. I love their stuff. So does my mom, so she's gonna be excited to steal some. I hate this face enabling thing. Like, I need to turn it off. Okay, I'm kind of happy that I'm almost done and I have a few more left because I just need to clean up this mess that is in my living room. Okay, I'm so excited for this. So I got this really great package from Uniqlo. I went to their preview and they sent me some stuff and I'm gonna definitely do a try on, but cute little black trench, obsessed. And oh my God, these pants are fire. Like, ugh, an olive trouser is like my dream. And then really cute jacket. I can't wait to try it on. Next is a package from 5 Star General. Clothes, you know I love clothes. These wide leg pinstripe cargo pants. Obsessed. Can't wait to try them on for y'all. And then also these really cute corduroys. I don't have any corduroys this color or trousers this color, so. I love clothes, y'all. I just love clothes so much. More clothes. Oh, I bought this for myself. It's from Local European, and it's just gonna be so cute because I got their 2-piece set and I got some cargos from them. If you don't shop Local European, you should. Got a cute little bag from Baggu. How adorable. I don't have a red bag, so I'm obsessed. And they also gave me like a little reusable bag and a cute little wallet. I'm obsessed. And a little sleeve for my glasses. So cute. I'm like, should I wear this bag today? Because it's adorable. Love, love, love. All right, y'all, we are done, and it is time for me to clean up this mess because it is scary in here. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. The giveaway. If you want to be entered to win a box of hair, face, makeup, bunch of products, comment on my last Instagram post and say YouTube giveaway, and you will be entered to win a big giant box of goodies. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.